Over the next 5 days, we are going to be boating from Dubrovnik all the way to Split on this boat!
Yeah, 4 nights, 5 days.
Let's go!
We're Keith and Deb, and we've been traveling full-time for the last 8 months. In our last vlog, we made it to Croatia and spent a few days exploring Dubrovnik. Today, we are leaving for 5 days of living on a boat.
Subscribe to follow along.
We made it! So we have our room. We'll give you a room tour shortly. We're just gonna freshen up, and so we'll see you in a bit.
Okay, never mind. We'll do the tour later.
We will definitely do the room tour, but we came upstairs. There's a top deck, and this
Wow.
is so crazy.
No words.
So after our long walk, if you watched our last video, you'll know about that.
Sometimes Google Maps says mostly flat for elevation. It is not mostly flat.
I was like, it's mostly flat, we'll be fine. It's not. We're gonna read some Harry Potter in this beautiful location.
Gieli.
Yes, so Gieli.
So we just met the crew and we got the security speech.
Yep, the intro to everything, and now we're gonna go eat dinner. We're in the dining room and we all get served together, I guess. And I think it's a 3-course meal, so we'll see what happens. This is very exciting. Also, it's really nice. Yeah. This is so cool. Keith and I have never been on a boat before.
This is
neat.
yeah,
A
they
boat
just
cruise. We've been on boats.
A boat cruise, sorry, a boat cruise. It's really good. This food is awesome. This is mushroom soup.
This is excellent. I love mushroom soup.
We got a second course salad, which I love.
So salad is a side dish in Croatia.
Okay, and this is goulash?
Yes.
Croatian goulash. Look at this. Beautiful homemade peas, potatoes. It's like that moment in Ratatouille. when he's brought back and he's a kid again. I feel like that. This is amazing.
I just got gluten-free bread. This is so exciting. This never happens. And we got some fruit.
Oh, 3 course. Wait, no, 4, because we got a salad too.
It's really good.
It's 7:30 in the morning and we have just departed from Dubrovnik and already it's just
Stunning.
amazing.
This is so
The
neat.
cool breeze, the beautiful open water, the mountains, wow.
And today we are making our way to an island. Do you know the name of the island?
Korčula.
So that is where we are heading today. And so we're just gonna sail there. Breakfast is between 8 and 9. And today we're also gonna give you a boat tour and we'll show you our room.
Let's go. What a beautiful day. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Mountain backdrop, the blue
Like,
water, the breeze. Insanity.
Excited for breakfast.
Eggs, toast, fruits, veggies, French toast as well. Some meat, some cheese, coffee, fruit, yogurt. Where's my yogurt? Found it.
Interesting it off with some yogurt and fruit. I know we've said this so much, but I can't get over this experience. Like it's more just that I'm here eating my breakfast and just passing by beautiful waters. It's very exciting. We have no idea what's to come, but I'm so excited for that.
Oh, I thought you were up there. I was gonna give it to you. Here you go.
I was gonna help you bring them up.
Thank you.
It's definitely a 2-man job to bring coffee up here.
2-man job. How's this be, little bean?
Oh my god! I can't get over this. This is gonna be our new morning coffee routine, Keith. So cheers to that.
I honestly cannot believe that this is what our life is right now. Like, what? What happened? How did this happen? How did we get here?
We promise eventually we'll cut it on the reactions, but this is very beautiful.
Well, it's just shocking.
The
I mean, here we are
Croatian
sitting on a boat,
landscape is insane.
going through these beautiful, oh my god, look at this topography.
As we promised, it is now time for our room tour. We are number 4 on the bottom floor, so welcome to our room. So you come in here, come on in. We have this lovely room is ours. Come on in. So you close the door and we have this lovely double bed with these really cute sailboat blankets. Over here, there's some hooks where we have hung up our towels. We each have shower towels, and then we also have our own towels for when we go swimming outside into the beach. Over here, you have the light switch. Turns off and on, and there's nice air conditioning, so there's AC on this boat. Yeah, I know. And this room also on a boat has a lot of storage. Take a look over here. You come over here, we have all of our stuff out. Our clothes is there. We have our towels and stuff up there, and bathing suits. Our bags fit perfectly at the bottom with our shoes. Then you come on over to this part of the room, and we have this other little storage space where we have like our computer stuff / camera gear, water bottles, toiletries. Also, there is this nice night light, so you can get in bed, have a light on, and then turn it off, and not even have to get out of bed. Like, what? On top of that, there is also a few outlets. So there's one here, we have our device plugged in. Moving on, we also have our own private bathroom. So you come in here, and this is on the bottom of a boat, and it's huge. I can stand up, Keith can stand up perfectly fine in here. There's a full-on shower, a place to put our shower stuff, a toilet, our own toilet, sink with soap, little toothbrush thing. There's also life jackets right under the bed, so if there's an emergency, that's what we grab and then go to the back of the boat. There's also a window that we actually have a view of outside, and it's so gorgeous. And now to take you on a tour of the rest of the boat. So when you come out here, there's a bunch of other rooms right here, and actually right at the end of the hall is the engine room. And you'd think it'd be really loud, but it's actually not that bad. Like from our room, not bad at all. Not too much on the lower deck, so we're gonna continue upstairs. There's hangers all along this level of the boat and the other upper levels to hang up your towels or your bathing suits, that kind of thing. But even better, come this way and look at this view. What is this?
So I'll take you on the main deck. Let's go to the bow. There's rooms on this deck as well, so there's below deck, first deck, and then top as well. So there's the beautiful view from the bow. We got all the ropes. Was that good or what? That was a good pose, eh? Oh, we'll get up there in a second. I'll finish this floor. Look at this wooden finish. It's a nice boat. Moving on, we're gonna be passing the kitchen where the staff are, where they're making their good food. So they're working hard. I think it's lunchtime soon. It's exciting. Over here is where we eat. Another hangout area right here. Look at this. We got benches, we got cushioned seats, we got some nice sunshade, and these things roll down as well. I don't know if there's bugs in or anything, but that's just a great feature. I mean, this view actually is stunning. So we're gonna be swimming off the back shortly. So this is the dining area. Right now we're getting ready for lunch. Beautiful seats, we got plugs, we can hang out here, windows. And right beside the water cooler, there's a sign that shows our daily activities. There's a bar over here, they serve drinks. There's a tab system. Over here, there's a fridge for yogurts, which we had earlier. There's fruit. I mean, you saw breakfast, it was fantastic.
And from the dining room, you can continue upstairs. So coming up from the back staircase, on the back of the boat, there's this nice shaded area that's got these lovely comfortable seats. They have a nice view from the back of the boat, a great place to read, hang out, chill. It's quite lovely. So continuing on this floor, there are a bunch of rooms on both sides with, again, this insane view. So we go past here and it's a bunch of rooms down this lovely hallway to the front of the boat, where the captain is right here steering the boat, and then there's this lovely area where you can chill and hang out.
Comfy lounge chairs, sitting area, and also amazing views, and it's a beautiful temperature as always.
So the last thing about this area is there's also stairs that are less steep that go down to the floor below. But we're gonna finish the circle of this floor because there's one more thing that we need to show you that may or may not be our favorite part of the boat. So obviously be careful when you're climbing up the ladder, but we're on the top and there's lounge chairs and everything. And this is amazing, take a look.
And while we're up here enjoying the view, a couple things we forgot to mention. There's safety rafts, there's a Zodiac, there's Wi-Fi everywhere on board.
Yeah, like
which is
really
crazy.
good Wi-Fi, I was so impressed.
And there's also a stand-up paddleboard.
Yeah,
So hopefully we'll get to use that.
later, yeah.
Hope you enjoyed the tour.
And now we're going to jump in the water from the second deck. Jeez Louise.
Okay, here we go.
Oh my gosh, Keith.
Put your feet up here.
Okay, you have to switch sides.
Move over.
Hopefully the water's cold. Okay, ready? Let's do it together.
Yeah.
Okay, when you're ready.
When you're ready.
1,
2, 3. Wow, can you believe this is real, little beam?
Oh my gosh. We needed this water. We were both
Oh wow, we really
a
needed
little
that.
bit boat sick.
Water. As Canadians, we need water. Oh, it's not fresh water. It's quite salty because it's hot here, right? Which means you're buoyant. Jump, Devin.
Good one. We're paddling now. This is a stand-up paddle.
Devin is paddling. I did the chilling. Wow, this is such a crazy spot. The water is like, I've never seen water like this. The water's not turquoise, but blue. Like blue. Hey?
Like, what is this, Keith? I actually can't. I feel like I'm in a dream. Also, the weather said that it was supposed to be thunderstorming today, and it is blue skies, so I'm very happy about that too. Don't listen to the weather on your phone, people.